We got to, obviously the pain threshold for Japan was 164, because that's when they basically tapped the US and said, hey, we're about to dump all these treasuries if you don't help us. And that's when Besant and everybody stepped in and said, okay, we will sell euros to prop up the yen, and you can park those in repo, and we will lend you dollars against them so you don't have to sell them, and you can also swap those dollars for yen. And we've continued to trend higher since then. You know, it pulled back substantially, I think down to like 155, 156, and we are back at the 160 line here. So the yen continues to depreciate against the dollar. They can't continue to pour resources into that. They're at a come to Jesus moment. They can no longer kick the can. With oil breathing down their neck and continuing higher, we've seen it go higher just today. You know, we're back into the 13,000s of yen per barrel at this point. If that continues to escalate, the inflation there is going to be too high. They also had economic growth come down in Japan. They did not meet their GDP numbers that they were expecting. So economic growth is slowing, which means they need to lower interest rates in order to be able to stimulate economic growth. And the inflation's too high, or so high that they need to raise interest rates. So the only option they have now is to increase the velocity of money. They need a direct proxy that allows them to do that. And the only way that they can do that is to move on to blockchain and issue stable coins and utilize XRP to be able to settle that.